Welcome to the ASTRO. So in this Python tutorial on handling multiple files, so our objective is to create and save data into multiple files. So we will have NumPy arrays and our job is to save data to these multiple files. So let's do it. Okay, so first import library. So import library. So import NumPy as np. Import NumPy as np. So this will take care of your array, and now we will define data. So we have say x equal to np dot say linear space, there should be np. So np dot linear space, say I am giving 1 to 100 and then 100 data points, and then I can give y as a x square, and I can give say z equal to say x cube. Okay, so we have like three xyz data, and we have to save it. So save xyz as column data into say 10 files. Okay, so for that I will use for loop. So use for loop. Okay, so for that I will type command here for I in a range 10, and then I will save here. So save here. So for saving data I will put here np dot save txt, and I will pass here my file name. Okay, so file name. So I can give here say I can give here say file or my underscore file underscore and curly bracket, and I will pass my index I. So this will get multiple files, and then I will put here array. So I can give array as x, y and z, and I have to also like put in form of column. So I will type here np dot c underscore. So this will take care of your array as a column. Okay, then you can pass, or you can also give an extension of the file, say CSV. Then you can pass a delimiter, that how your data are separated. So you can pass it as a comma, and you can also give say column name as, or say header equal to you can give say column 1, column 2 and then column 3. Now this much you have done. Now run this code. So run it. So it has done the job successfully. Now check it. So in order to check whether my file has been created with data or not, go to our documents, I mean in a directory, and search the same file as my file, my underscore file. Okay, so it has created only single file. Okay, you can see that it has only created that file. So in order to like create multiple files, you need to give here say file. Okay, now run it. Okay, run it, refresh it, then search it, my underscore file. Okay, so here you can see that you have 0, 1, 2, 3 and you have like 9 files. 0 to 9 means basically you have 10 files. Okay, you can also check the content. So here you can see that column 1 to 3 and we have data. You have x, you have x square and x cube, basically your XYZ data. So this way you can also check for your other files, my file too. So the same thing has been saved into multiple file with different names. So this is a simple technique to handling multiple files and to create multiple files and save NumPy data as a column wise to the multiple files. So I hope you got the idea, and in the next tutorial I am going to show you that how to read these multiple files together and also how to plot it. So stay tuned for the next video, and thank you.